The Three Little Pigs. The Three Little Pigs. Chapter 1. A mummy pig lives in an old barn. She has 3 little baby pigs. The 3 little pigs are big now. You are too big to live here with me. You can go and build your houses. Be careful. The big bad wolf can catch you. Build strong houses. I will miss you, my little piggies, tells their mom. Bye, Mum, the 3 little pigs set off. The big bad wolf will not catch us, they say. Chapter 2. The 3 little pigs walk along the path. They want to build 3 houses. They meet a man. The man has lots of straw. The first little pig thinks that he can build his house of straw. Please, can you give me some straw? Says the first little pig. Yes, I can, says the man. The first little pig builds his house of straw. Now the big bad wolf will not catch me. I build my house of straw. I build my house of hay. And I play around all day, says the first little pig. Chapter 3. The 2 little pigs walk the path. And then they meet a man. He has lots of sticks. The second little pig thinks that he can build his house of sticks. Please, can you give me some sticks? Says the second little pig. Yes, I can, says the man. The second little pig builds his house of sticks. Now the big bad wolf will not catch me. I build my house of sticks. I build my house of twigs. And I play on the fiddle and dance all day, says the second little pig. They build their houses very fast. They sing and dance all day. They are lazy. Chapter 4. The third little pig walks the path. And then he meets a man. The man has lots of bricks. The third little pig thinks that he can build his house of bricks. He is clever. Please, can I have some bricks? Says the third little pig. Of course, says the man. The third little pig works hard all day. He builds his house of bricks. I build my house of stone. I build my house of bricks. I have no time to sing and dance. I do not mix work and play. Chapter 5. 2 little pigs laugh at the third little pig, ha ha ha. The third little pig builds a very strong house. You can play and laugh and fiddle. I will be safe and you'll be sorry when the big bad wolf comes to your door, says the third little pig. But 2 little pigs still laugh at the third little pig. They sing and dance, who's afraid of the big bad wolf, big bad wolf, big bad wolf? Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Tra-la-la-la-la. Chapter 6. The big bad wolf lives in the forest. One day he sees the first little pig in his house of straw. He is hungry. He loves to eat fat little piggies. I smell a little pig, says the big bad wolf. Knock, knock, knock. He knocks on the door and says gruffly, little pig, let me come in. Oink, oink. No, no, no. Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. I won't let you in, says the little pig. The big bad wolf growls, grrrr. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. The big bad wolf huffs and puffs and blows the house down. Chapter 7. The little pig runs away, oink oink. Help! Help! The wolf is here. He runs to his brother's house. The wolf then comes to the house of sticks. The 2 little pigs are in the house. Knock, knock, knock. He knocks on the door and says gruffly, little pigs, let me come in. Oink, oink. No, no, no. Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. We won't let you in, say the little pigs. The big bad wolf growls, grrrr. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. The big bad wolf huffs and puffs and blows the house down. Chapter 8. The little pigs run away. Oh no! Help! Help! The wolf is here. They run to their brother's house. The wolf then comes to the house of bricks. Knock, knock, knock. He knocks on the door and says gruffly, little pigs, let me come in. Oink, oink. No, no, no. Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. We won't let you in, say the three little pigs. The big bad wolf growls, grrrr. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. Well, the wolf huffs and puffs and huffs and puffs and huffs and puffs again, but he cannot blow down that brick house. The house is too strong. Chapter 9. The big bad wolf is not happy. He is very angry and very hungry. The wolf is a sly old wolf and he climbs up on the roof. The little pig sees the wolf climb up on the roof. And they light fire in the fireplace. They put a big pot with hot water on it. Then the wolf comes down the chimney to get three little pigs. Splash! He falls down into that hot pot of water. He is surprised. He jumps out of the pot and runs out of the door. He never comes back. The two little pigs now feel sorry for being so lazy. They too build their houses of bricks and live happily ever after. Hope you have enjoyed the story. Subscribe to find more fascinating and exciting stories.